Looks like car's been home since Wednesday, so this makes today is Monday. So what are we looking at? What is that? 3, 4, 5, 6 days it's been home. Maybe 7. 6, 5 or 6 days, and I've got it all torn apart. Suspension, everything that was mocked up has been torn out. I think the only thing I have left is to take out of the car is the pedals, and that is pretty much it. So now I can go ahead and proceed with sanding this whole frame and whole chassis, roll cage, and paint it. Got all the parts out that I need to take the powder coat. So I got a lot of work ahead of me. I think I'll enjoy it though. Pretty much enjoying just car being home, honestly. But needless to say, there is a lot of work to do here. I will continue posting progress.